An accounting background allows you to go into any different industry and into many different disciplines within accounting and finance. An accounting background also is helpful if you just want to evaluate options for your own 401k or your own investment portfolio. You can go into accounting for a private company, for example, and work in the general ledger or general accounting section. You would be responsible for things that would range from evaluating goodwill impairment to calculating stock compensation expense and fair values. Or you may work more on the reporting side, whether it be SEC reporting or internal reporting or bank reporting. You might decide to work for a governmental entity and learn about fund accounting as well as a nonprofit. You might decide to go into auditing, and you could go into internal auditing, which would be for a specific company or for a government and focus on internal controls. You might become an auditor for a public accounting firm and audit financial statements for clients. And remember, you're not only limited to the accountant title. You can move into finance and be a financial analyst and focus more on budgets and forecasting, variance analysis. You might also do modeling for customer profitability or for mergers and acquisitions and divestitures. You may also decide to go into tax accounting and convert GAAP financials to IRS code financials. As you can see, having an accounting major allows you to expose yourself to a lot of different industries and disciplines.